All right, we're back with another one. Super clean. Good stuff. Try it. Any O'Reilly's, anywhere carries cleaning products should have it. It's good stuff. They sent it to me, told me to try it out. So we're gonna clean up this engine compartment. I got it wet earlier, it's kind of dried off, but here we go. Get it on there. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. It's all plastic, all sealed up. Driving down the road, it gets wet going down the road. It ain't gonna hurt anything. We got some other stuff we're going to try to do this stuff first. I buy it by the gallon. They sent me squirt bottles, so I still had a gallon left. So. It's tired. Right there on the metal, get the grime off there. Lay it on the floor mat. Got a little wet earlier. Get them started. Winter grime off that stuff. Dirt, salt, rocks, whatever else there is, get all easy soak her down and scrub it a little bit. A little brush on my drill. Water off there. Pre-soaking it a little bit in water. I had seen one of my videos and I want to do some more stuff with it. Sure, send it. We'll try anything once. Supposed to send me some more, I think. We talked about it. Seen the video I made last. Talking about doing something, maybe giving some stuff away. Have to stay tuned. Still working out the details. Figure out something how to get you guys involved in the giveaway. Win some super clean product. A little sample pack, I think they're calling it. We'll see. Soak up a little bit. Got some wheel cleaner, we'll try it next. Got some more stuff we can try here. Let's set the camera down for a minute. Got the foam deal. Spray it on there. Let her soak. Yeah, getting all that grime off back there. Look at that. Bunch of grime. Rid of that dirt, salt, grime. Oh, the winter grime. Clean engine is a happy engine, they say, I think. Whatever they say. Here we go. Get back here chewing up that dirt. hose her off and put a little bit of shine stuff on it. Look like a new motor. Quarter mats over here soaking. Spray a little bit on there and see what it does. Some nice grind stuff on there. That stuff does let her soak in a little bit. Bit that right there. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, take a break from this one. Catch you guys later.